Hi, this is PHP training course, and today is day 16. I will guide how to use the PHP code to connect with the MySQL server database. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, I'll close this one, and I will open the Sublime text. Okay, and here I will go ahead to create a new file, and I will name it either MySQL server connect setting. Okay, follow me. Save it up. MySQL server connect.php. MySQL server. Okay, I will write the code here. HTML. Oh, we cannot save it. Okay. Okay. I will writing something here is check connection from PS to MySQL. Okay. So now here I'm going to writing the code a PHP to check the connection between the PHP and MySQL server. Okay. And here basically I will be using the MySQL li method to check it. So here I will go ahead to create some variable to store the user to store the server information, username and password. Okay. Declare some variable to store the server information. I have a name, add name. I have a username, user password. Here. So here for the server name, I should be provider localhost. And the username, it should be root. The password is the root account. Here in this my PC, I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Next step, we go ahead to create a connection to server. We have a declare variable. I will be a connection. It should be MySQL IE. Okay, connect. I will be provide the server name, the username, and user password. Cool. And next step, we will check the connection is connected or not. Okay, I will be using the if else here. If we have the connection. Okay. Die. Cannot connect to server and displaying the error message. It should be the MySQL MySQL I connect errors. Okay, and otherwise it should be print out echo PHP application has been connected to MySQL database. Okay. So now here for testing, I will open the browser, and firstly I will copy this one. Open browser, and I will type in the localhost, provide the path to the file. Here, enter. Check connection from the PHP to MySQL server, and here I have a fanta error. Like, yeah, okay. Function. Okay, I have connection in my SQL line connect. Okay, I should remove one error character here. Refresh this. Yeah, PHP application has been connected to MySQL database. Okay, so now when you see this message, that means the PHP application has been connected to the MySQL server database system. And now, yes, of course, you can you can go ahead to create the database, create table, and insert, update, and delete data inside that database. Okay, and here I will make to the shortcode to see and change the database, change the password or user account, and see what the difference. Okay. Yeah. So here I will go ahead to update the password. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Save it up. Okay. Back to here. So here after you reset refresh this page, it will display the warning message. The MySQL LI connect function is not working, and access denied for user root account using So here cannot connect to the server. Okay, cannot connect to server, and after that display the error message. Okay, very good. And here change it back to 9, back to browser, and refresh it up. Okay, it works for now. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video, you know how to connect with the database, I mean the MySQL server database, by using the PHP. Okay, thank you for watching, and hope that helped. Bye bye, see you later.